front lock panel, rear lock panel, IC card, key, door lock installation kit, opening diagram, manual, lithium battery, single tongue lock body installation kit. First of all, we need to check the size of the door, making sure that the thickness of the door is between 35 to 55 mm. At the same time, confirm whether the door holes are consistent with the opening drawings provided by us. Now, let's take out the lock body and fitting screws. Note that the lock body is placed with the side up. Take out the front lock panel and pass it through the lock body, leaving it 8 to 10 mm beyond the rear lock base plate, and cut off the excess part with cutting pliers. Open the battery cover, remove the 4M5 screws, and install the rear lock plate. After cutting is completed, screw the 2 studs into the front lock in turn, and then pass the 2 studs and connecting wires of the front lock panel through the lock body, and fix them with the back lock base plate. Install the rear lock, insert the electronic wire into the wiring area of the rear lock panel, and secure the rear lock panel with M5 screws. Put the lithium battery into the door lock, and confirm the installation is complete.